Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer, specializing in Power BI and Excel. In today's tip, you're going to learn how to create a table just for your measures. Now, why might you want to do that? You might want to do that if you don't like the idea of having your measures spread throughout all the tables in your model, and instead you want the measures nicely organized in their own separate table. Another bonus is that if you have a table that only contains measures, by default, that table is going to show up at the top of your list of tables. So now you not only have them organized, but they're right there at your fingertips. Okay. Let me explain the process for those of you who are a little bit more advanced so you can just go ahead and do it on your own, and then I will demonstrate it. Okay. So what you would do is you would go to the Home tab, click Enter Data to create a new table. You would take the existing column, name it whatever you want because you're about to delete it in a second anyway. Okay. And then after you name the table, it's going to end up on the fields pane. You're going to create one measure, put it in that table, and then you're going to delete that first column that was in the table. Refresh your list of fields, and that table is going to show up at the very top of your list. So let me go ahead and demonstrate. On the Home tab, we click Enter Data. We are going to name this table Measures AW. I'm going to double click the column to rename it Test, and then I will click Load. Now we have our table. Next, we're going to create a measure in that table. So I'm going to right click, left click New Measure. And I'm just going to call it something simple. I'm going to call it Num Customers, and I'm going to use the distinct count. Here we go, distinct count customer key. Hit enter. It takes a moment. Now we have our first measure. Now we can go to that default column and right click, left click to delete it. After it's deleted, we're going to come to the fields pane, collapse it and expand it to just refresh the list. And you notice that now your measures table is at the very top of your list. And that's it. That's how you create a measures table. And all you would do going forward is every measure that you create, just make sure to add it in your measures table and you're good to go. I hope you found this useful. If you did, I would appreciate knowing about it in the comments. So as always, thank you for watching.